welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today we're going to flow through a ballet bar workout consisting of 6 exercises to strengthen, tone, bring balance to the body, the mind, and the spirit. Enjoy moving freely, welcoming that breath, that gentle inhale and exhale. Let's begin with a quick warm-up. Let's roll those shoulders forward. I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you like my videos and you're new, please subscribe, like, comment. I always enjoy interacting with others and getting to know this community a little bit better. Let's roll those shoulders back. Always remembering to stand tall, stand balanced, and stand confidently. Let's lift the arms up. Nice inhale, and then an exhale as those arms lower to the side. 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. Excellent. We're going to come into a first position. Hands at your waist, so shoulders are back down and relaxed. Going to go into a plie and then up, making sure to uplift through the core. That nice flat back. Shoulders are in line and stacked over those hips. Very good. We're hugging in those inner thighs. Just balancing. The feet are at 10 and 2. Excellent. We're going to stay tucked in, strong. Lift the arms up. Stretch and reach as you exhale. Just shimmying on either side, feeling that nice stretch on that left side and that right side. Fully softening through the shoulders, but yet lengthening through the arms. Feeling that balance and steadiness on the feet. Very good. We'll shoot both arms up, inhaling, and then take that exhale. Very good. Hands come to the waist once again. We're going to extend that left toe out to the side and then draw it back in. So left and in. Point with that big toe. And then draw that heel in, extending out through the leg, making it long and lean and toned. Maintaining that nice balance on that right foot. Just glide it in, you point and then flex. Excellent. Let's go to the left. So we're shifting on that left side. We're going to point and flex on that right. Maintain your balance. Hug in those inner thighs. Coordinating the movement and bring balancing and harmony to the body. Couple more. Excellent. Very good. We're going to come back to this nice first position stance. We'll plie, then extend. Plie, extend. plie, extend, plie, extend. Keep going. You're going so well. Excellent work. One more time on each side. Very good. Stand tall, stand strong. Let's take that nice inhale, lifting up, rooting through the feet, and then slowly lowering, exhaling out that air. Very good. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. So you had the plie, we had the extension and flexion. Let's come into a second position. The feet are again pointed at 10 and 2. That nice uplifting through the core, that flat back. Shoulders are back, down and relaxed. Feeling strong in this stance. Going to go down into that grand plie and then come back up. Plie and up. Tracking those knees in line with the toes. No coming in or out. Nice mobility in the hips, the knees, and supporting through the ankle. That nice flat back. We're keeping our bum tucked in. Just a slight bend in the knee as you stand, as you rise. Very good, excellent. You're gonna hold this stance. You can shimmy a little bit through your hips. Feel that nice release. We'll extend the arms up into a 5-point star and just look side to side. Feeling strong and grounded. Excellent. Shine that heart forward and place both hands on the heart. So extension and release. Extension and release. Keep going. You're doing so well. Excellent. Lower the arms. Take that beneficial inhale up and then exhale down. Twice more. Inhale up and once more. Inhale up and exhale down. I'm going to throw through those 2 movements together. So extend the arms nice and wide in that 5-point star. Going to come down in that plie and then up and extend. That soft bend through the knee. Tracking that knee over the ankle. That nice flat back. Relax and soften through the shoulders, the neck, the face. Two more times. Very good. We'll place the hands on the hips, heel toe inward. Coming back into a more balanced stance with the toes pointing forward. Let's just rock the heels and toes. Just having that balance, that front of the body, the back of the body. Bringing strength to the ankles. Excellent. Come back into that first position. Very good. Those toes are pointed at 10 and 2. Extend the arms up, coming into a plie. Then right into that right side plie. So we're combining both the upper body and that lower body. Slow and controlled. Keep smiling. One more time on each side. Excellent. Coming back into first position. You're going to point and point. Point and point. Just angling, shining that inner thigh forward. Your pelvis bones are pointing towards the front. You're just shifting your weight. Very good. 2 more times on each side. Excellent. Come back into that first position. Take those beneficial inhales and exhales. Twice more. Very good. We're going to flow through that sequence. Going to come out and in, forward and in. Out and in, forward and in. Flow with me. Excellent job. I'm proud of you. Two more times on each side. Always remembering to keep that nice back posture. Those nice flowy arms. Let's do one more on each side, just for fun. Very good. Come back into that nice neutral stance. Feet are shoulder width apart. Gonna do those beneficial hip circles just to feel loose and free throughout the body. You can move that upper body, having that soft bend in the knee. We'll go that other way. Excellent job. Establishing that nice balanced stance. Toes are touching. Inner thighs are hugging. Take those 3 beneficial breaths once more. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Just feeling that strength, that stability, that balance, and that confidence, that fun feeling, that spirit of fitness. Thank you for joining me today. Again, subscribe, comment, like the video. Enjoy your day.